Okay, so you want to make some serious money with AI, right? Well, it turns out there are really two clear paths you can take. In this explainer, we're diving into a source that lays out two incredible, super actionable playbooks to make it happen.
So let's just get right to the heart of it. The source material asks this one massive question. How do you turn 1 Lakh into 1 crore in just a year using AI? I mean, that is a huge goal, right? We're not talking about side hustle money here. This is about real, life-changing growth. So the big question is it even possible?
Well, according to the source we're looking at, the answer isn't some crazy secret or complicated hack. It really just comes down to choosing the right strategy, the right playbook for you. And we're going to break down both of them. Each one is a totally different path with its own rules and its own prizes at the end.
And here they are, side by side. First, you've got the domain expert. This one's all about using the job skills you already have. Then there's the local hustle. This one is just designed for pure speed, pure simplicity. Two very different approaches. So let's start with the first one.
All right, playbook number 1, the expert. The whole idea here is so smart. It's about using what you already know. Think about it. If you're in banking, or maybe you're a video editor, or you work in insurance, whatever it is, there are probably a dozen little things you do every day that could be improved with AI. This playbook is about finding those hidden gems in your own workflow.
Now, this is a really key piece of advice from the source. It's not enough to just build something. You have to build in public from day zero. So what does that even mean? It means instead of hiding away and perfecting your idea, you share the journey online. You post about your progress. Why? Because you're doing two things at once. You're not just building a product, you're building an audience, your future customers, before you even have anything to sell. It's genius, really.
Okay, so how does this actually work? It breaks down into these 4 steps. First, you just look at your daily job. What's your workflow? Then, step 2, you find those annoying, repetitive parts that you could totally automate with AI. Step 3 is where the magic happens. You package that solution up into a neat little AI tool. And then, the best part, step 4, you sell it right back to the people in your industry. I mean, who knows their problems better than you do? Nobody.
And what you're really doing here is tapping into something huge. We're seeing the birth of what are called AI-first industries. Think about it. These are brand new markets where AI isn't just an add-on, it's the foundation. It's completely changing the old way of doing things. So when you build a tool for your specific field, you're not just making a cool product, you're actually building a little piece of the future of that industry.
Okay, let's switch gears completely onto playbook number 2, the local hustle. Now, if the first playbook sounded a little, complex, or like it might take a while, this one is the complete opposite. It is all about one thing, the fastest, simplest path to getting paid.
And look, you really can't say it any plainer than this. The source literally calls this approach idiot-proof. They say anybody can start. The barrier to entry is just not existent. You don't need to be a coding genius. You don't need years of experience in some niche field. This is 100% about just getting out there and doing it. It's all about speed and execution.
So, what does an idiot-proof plan actually look like? Let's break down the exact step-by-step process to get you from having nothing to making that very first sale.
Okay, here's the entire game plan. It's so simple. Step 1, you just go on Google Maps and find local shops that don't have a website. Step 2, you fire up something like ChatGPT and have it create a really good, detailed prompt for a website. And I'm not talking about just make a website for a salon. No, you get specific about the vibe, the services, all of it. Step 3, you take that prompt and feed it into one of these new AI website builders. And finally, the crucial part, step 4, you take that finished website and you go sell it to the business owner. Simple as that.
And you might be thinking, who are these businesses? Well, they are literally everywhere. Just think about your own neighborhood, the local sweet shop, the car mechanic, that salon on the corner. So many of these places are great at what they do, but they have zero online presence. Those are your clients. They're usually just too busy running their business to even think about a website.
So, how much money are we talking about here? This is where it gets really interesting. The potential is huge. You could sell a simple site for, say, 5,000 rupees just for a quick win. Or you could land a bigger business and charge up to 10 lakh for a really nice, more complex site. The range is massive.
And hey, if you're skeptical, if you're thinking, do people really need this? Just listen to this quote from the source. It's from a super successful guy, Raj Shamani. And he basically says, yeah, I don't have a website, and if someone showed up with a finished one for me, I'd buy it today. See? The key word there is ready-made.
You're not selling them a project or a headache, you're selling a finished product they can see and own right now. It's an instant solution.
Okay, so there you have it. Two completely different but really powerful playbooks. Now the ball is in your court. It's time to think about which one of these actually fits you, your skills, and what you're trying to achieve.
Let's just put it all on the table. A final side-by-side. The domain expert, you need real industry knowledge for that one. Yeah, it's going to be a slower start, but the potential income is massive. It can really scale. On the other hand, the local hustle. You need almost no special skills, you can get your first sales super fast, and the income is solid and repeatable. So it's deep knowledge versus pure speed and volume.
And that really brings us to the final, most important question. After seeing both of these paths laid out, which one are you? Are you the expert, ready to turn your career knowledge into a game-changing AI tool? Or are you the hustler, ready to go out tomorrow and start serving all those local businesses? The opportunity is real, no matter which path you choose, but you have to choose one.